Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your music. You can easily switch tracks, albums, or even entire playlists using several convenient methods. Whether you're on a streaming app, using a smart device, or driving your car, controlling your audio is straightforward. We'll cover the most common ways to ensure your listening experience is always exactly what you want, giving you full command over your soundscape. Most streaming applications offer intuitive controls right on your screen. Simply tap the forward or backward arrow icons to skip tracks. To choose a specific song, navigate to your library or a playlist and select it directly. You can also easily create new playlists or modify existing ones, allowing you to curate hours of your favorite tunes with just a few taps. It's all about putting you in charge. Voice commands provide a hands-free way to manage your music. Just activate your smart assistant, whether it's on your phone, a smart speaker, or in your vehicle. Say next song to skip ahead or play artist name to hear something specific. You can even request music by genre or mood, like play some relaxing jazz. It's incredibly convenient, especially when your hands are busy. Changing music in your car is designed for safety and ease. Many vehicles feature dedicated buttons on the steering wheel to skip tracks or adjust volume without taking your hands off the wheel. You can also use the central infotainment screen to browse sources, artists, or playlists. Connecting your smartphone via Bluetooth or a USB cable often provides even more integrated control, making your drive more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.